This is Sold by Folds reporting to you from Bushkill Falls. This is a beautiful property owned by one family since 1904, and they've turned this property into a park. They've got the Niagara Falls of Pennsylvania here. It's pretty cool. Bushkill Falls. Alright, Sold by Folds reporting to you live from Bushkill Falls, and we just came into a really cool shaded area. Check this out. It's a little hot today, so getting down under this canopy and this water, it's so cool down here. And it looks like we're coming back to the starting point. Quite a little place this family's made here in Pennsylvania. Choo-choo. Sold by Folds reporting to you live from Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. And we are taking the train up to, I don't know where. Up there somewhere. Better they have one of these resort pools.
Yeah, so if you go to Penn Peak, what is it called?
Hey, this is Sold by Folds reporting to you live from the town of Jim Thorpe. That's right, the Olympian Jim Thorpe decathlon has a whole town named after him. It's right here on the base of the Poconos. Mega little charm town. Way to go, Jim Thorpe. Oh my God, Melanie, I wish you were here to see this. I wish you were here to see this. Oh, she's getting cheers. A car. Did you hear that? People are cheering at your sister. Cat calls. You're getting cat calls. Under the lift.
You can't go under the lift.
Hard to describe how many deer there are here right now. I'm at Camelback Mountain. It's almost sunset. And there are deer literally all the way up this entire mountain. I'm checking out the Glen lift, and I'm a little concerned with the upkeep here. Investing in lifts. They got this wooden lift chair. It's not even painted. It looks like it hadn't been painted in seasons. I hadn't seen a lift like this in a long time. Crazy. This is Sold by Folds reporting to you live from somewhere in Pennsylvania. We're driving to the Poconos and came across this. Every Wednesday they have like a
Flea market.
flea market here. I kind of feel like we're in Thailand or something. So which seems to be the place to be. We're doing a walkabout. We're gonna check the whole place out. Sold by Folds reporting to you live. I'm now inside of the flea market. They got food places in here. They got a pizza place. Might have to check that out. So I guess people come here instead of going to the grocery store. And then after you go to the deli counter, you can get your watch repaired. Holy knives.